All right, this is the Officemate Recycle 2-in-1 Heavy Duty Tape Dispenser. It's got a 1-inch core in here, and I've still got mine in the wrapper. I've had this for quite a while. And it also has a 3-inch core for your regular standard packing tape. And we can see on the bottom that we've got several different rubber feet on here. It's actually weighted inside of here to keep it from sliding around and to give it a lot of heft. You can see it just moves the whole table. That, to me, is a great feature because I'll put it up on my countertop when I'm pulling the tape off. I don't want it sliding around all over the place. And I really like that. You can see the length of it right here, and you can see the back. I don't actually use the Scotch tape side of it for Scotch tape. What I'll do is put a tape measure in there because I'm doing a lot of shipping and I like to have that handy. And it's got a little pocket inside of here where you can store whatever you want in there. There's some Sharpies in there. I like to keep a cutting knife in there and a Sharpie. You can see the core is removable. So when you need to replace the tape, you just pop this out, slide it out, slides right out, slide it back in again. Sets into place right there. It's notched, so it's perfect. And you're ready to go. I like being able to pull it off by hand and to be able to apply it that way, you know. That's just me. Everybody's got their own style. It's just convenient for me. When I'm done, I can set this back to where it belongs and get my kitchen counter back. But this thing's pretty awesome. If you're looking for kind of an all-in-one tape dispenser, a little shipping station for you here, this is the Officemate Recycle 2-in-1 Heavy Duty Tape Dispenser.